choose the repair method that matches the specific cause and severity of the door misfit rather than guessing. Start by identifying where the door sticks and whether the frame or the door has moved. If the gap is uneven by less than 3/16 of an inch along the latch side, shimming the hinge behind the hinge leaf or under the strike plate is the least invasive and most reversible option. For a door that sags so the top corner rubs the frame but the jamb is square, lower the hinge by removing the screws, repositioning the hinge slightly down, and refastening with longer screws that reach the framing stud for better pull-out resistance. When the edge of the door contacts the jamb along a continuous section, the correct approach is material removal by sanding or planing the high area. Temporarily remove the door, mark the high spots with a pencil, and take off small amounts testing fit after each pass to avoid overcutting. If the frame itself is out of plumb or the jamb has shifted, the fix can require removing the casing and resetting the jamb with shims at the studs and new trim, which is a more advanced task and benefits from a helper and clamp to maintain alignment. Always check hinge screw length, tighten loose screws, and test the latch and strike alignment after any adjustment so the door closes smoothly and the latch engages without forcing. Common mistakes include removing too much material when planing the door, which can make the gap too wide and cause rattling. So take off small amounts and retest frequently. Another frequent issue is using short screws when lowering or rehanging hinges so the hinge pulls out over time. Always use screws that reach the framing stud and consider using a screw with a larger diameter for added strength. A third concern is trying to shim without addressing a warped jamb, which only hides the problem. If shimming does not produce even gaps after careful adjustment, remove the casing and inspect the jamb for twist. Then reset with shims at the studs to correct the underlying geometry. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by connecting people with professionals visible in their area and offering a place to post project needs and compare responses. We also help contractors find work and build local leads, and our site includes a discussion community where homeowners and pros exchange tips, ask questions, and share experiences.